Okay. Round two. Day one of 2026. I've been watching a bunch of YouTube today before coming to work, and of course everyone's doing the, hey, this is my challenge for 2026, this is my goals for 2026. I hate doing stuff because, oh well, it's now January 1st, therefore I have to make myself better. No. The date's got nothing to do with it. I've been building up to this for a while. The date is convenient. I went to the gym the other night. First time in a month or two. I'd gone a couple times before then. I have a full-time membership. It's open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, so I have very few excuses, and I still manage to not go quite often. So that's one thing I need to change, and I keep thinking about, oh, I want to start a YouTube channel, I want to start recording these projects, I want to start doing this, I want to start doing that, I want to do this, I want to do that, and then I never do any of them. Blame it on ADHD, blame it on being lazy, that's probably more like it, blame it on just whatever brain chemicals are not optimal in my head for whatever goddamn reason. I am the only thing standing in my way. I understand that, I acknowledge that, I revel in that, apparently, that yeah, I am the only one standing in my own way. I have the tools, I have the time, I have the resources, I have the support. The only thing that's stopping me is me. It's the desire to sit on the couch and pick up the phone or the tablet and then blink away hours at a time. It's the, oh, I feel decent and da-da-da-da, I want to do this, I want to do that. Well, how about you go over to the fucking gym once in a while? I don't wanna. And that's basically it. I don't wanna. But I need to. And I know that. So, this is day one. Let me check in on YouTube and I'll see if I can get this. I'm recording this on a little Sony Bloggy camera because I found it in my bag the other day. I threw it in there at one point in time, the last time I was thinking about starting my YouTube channel again. So I figured, okay, what the hell? Plugged it into the charger in the car for a half hour, and here we go. Look, it's a video. I'm going to record it, and I'm going to not edit it. I'll see about transferring it over to my phone or a tablet that I've got in my bag in order to upload it. And that's it. The theories for this year are going to be twofold. First being, get busy. I've got a postcard that says it. I painted it on my wall downstairs. It says, get busy, old man. Get busy. The only one stopping me is me. And then point number two, and I've been seeing it, it's been popping up and up and up like serendipity, the universe trying to tell me something, the river will provide, in this case, a swift kick in the pants of letting perfect be the enemy of complete. something along those lines. If you've heard the saying, it gets mixed and matched, but stop trying to find the perfect setup to make things better, to make things faster, to make things easier, because you're still not going to do it. So grab the little Bloggie camera, plug it in, keep it in your bag. Every once in a while, record something like this. It takes almost no effort. Yes, I've got my phone, and if I pick up my phone, well, do I want to use the regular camera? Do I want to use OpenShot camera? Do I want to record this? Do I want to edit this? Well, maybe I should record it on my tablet, because that's got some editing software on it, and I could burn another couple of months by not doing anything, because I'm trying to find the right way to do it instead of just doing it. So for this year, don't let perfect get in the way. And then 20, go to 10. Get busy, old man. You ain't gonna live forever. You're healthy, for the most part. Do what you can do. And you can do a whole hell of a lot more than sit on the goddamn couch. And that's for me, and that's for anybody else that needed to hear that. Get off the goddamn couch. Go do something. Alright, that's enough for today. It's a start.